Hi, welcome to Bota. Today I'm going to show you a range of welding rotators for welding wind energy in the offshore industry. Let us take a look. Firstly, this one is a 500-ton welding turning tool for painting and sandblasting welding. It includes 1.2 meters wide PU wheels and a traveling trolley. And I'm going to show you some of our special features. Maybe you are not going to see some other company rotators. This is the key. You can see when you put the bolt, you lose the bolt, you put the wheel here, and you stick this key here. You will understand this has a very high standard of safety. So you can see several sets of painting and sandblasting rotator with a cover, with a gearbox, reducer, and also you can see this is a dampers, remote control, wireless remote control. This is a control box with PLC touching screen. Right now this machine is not turned on, so let's see. You can see the Siemens inverter and the Schneider electricals and the Siemens PLC. Here you will see the receiver of the wireless, and here later we will put the protection tube and the cover here. And let's go. All the motors has been covered with very strong cover plate. All the hooks. You will also see there are forklift holes here for move the rotator around, and several idlers here. And this one, let's see. Secondly, this one is the self-aligning rotator for the 150 ton, but they all use for the same production line of the wind tower for 12 meters diameter of the tank. Some other idlers here, and this one is for the fitting up rotator with hydraulic elevating. And also this is a special self-aligning rotator with a seat. You are movable, so it combines manual aligning and self-aligning functions. Again, you can see this forklift hole. And I want to show you this. This is planetary reducer. You can see it's very compact. The size is small, and you can save electricity and improve the efficiency. You will also see this motor. This motor is also very small. So these are all the self-aligning hydraulic rotator. And another feature, let me show you. With this elevating jack, hydraulic elevating jack, all the tubes, hydraulic tubes, have been covered with cover for protection. This is the same with a Danfoss wireless remote control receiver and with the alarm siren. This is a hydraulic pump. So you can see one pump, two pump. Every hydraulic has been controlled by each individual pump. So several more 500 ton and another self-aligning hydraulic rotator. So another one, the same, some more. So they are all being finished. We are going to ship them very soon. So because we don't have much space, we need to clean the space and move other machines here. Some more self-aligning rotators. Yeah, by the way, this one is for the fixed manual aligning rotator. It's fixed. Several more sets fixed. And these are some wheels for the sandblasting painting rotator. You can see there's a groove, a channel in the middle of the wheel. These are all the covers. So another self-aligning rotator with traveling, all with the planetary reducer. So that's it. This shipment will require 12 open top 40 feet container. So there we have 12 trucks enter out complete. For 3 days we need to make this shipment. Thank you very much for your time. I will show you more videos of production next time. Bye bye.